There is a significant reason why approximately 254 million individuals utilize PayPal for their various online financial transactions. Evidently, this reason falls under the umbrella of security, swiftness, and user-friendliness that PayPal offers. Furthermore, PayPal's global presence is undeniable, as it is utilized in over 200 distinct countries, empowering you no matter your location. Your funds are always accessible, and you can make purchases of anything you desire on a global scale. So, what is PayPal, what's its importance, and how can it be used? PayPal accounts represent an online financial service, offering you the capability to make payments securely through a protected internet account. You simply need to add the details of your bank account, which you already own, or your credit card, or your debit card information. And each time you make a payment through PayPal, you have the option to select which of your linked cards or bank accounts you wish to use for that transaction. You can select and set one of these as your default payment method, which will be utilized for subsequent transactions. Through this service, you are able to receive funds and then utilize them when making payments for various purchases. You have the option to transfer the funds you receive through PayPal directly to your bank account or to your linked cards. Please note that there are fees associated with receiving money into your account. Nonetheless, the majority of the services provided are completely free, such as transferring funds to friends or family via PayPal accounts, provided that no currency conversion is required. Beyond personal accounts, PayPal also provides dedicated business accounts, commonly referred to as PayPal business accounts. We will be discussing them in detail throughout this video presentation. When you embark on an online business venture, be it a small or medium-sized enterprise, and start generating income through this project, it may seem challenging to obtain and receive that money or those profits. PayPal has always been a straightforward and accessible solution for payment processing, especially for small to medium-sized business owners. This is largely due to its user-friendly nature, efficient operation, and remarkable capability to streamline international financial transactions. However, there are two distinct options available for those who choose PayPal. There's what's known as a personal account and also what's known as a business account. We will be discussing these in detail within this video to help individuals in identifying the appropriate and best account type for their particular needs and requirements. The difference between a PayPal personal and business account. The business account, also known as PayPal Business, provides all of the functionalities and advantages that a personal account offers. Furthermore, it provides additional features that can greatly assist successful professionals and businesses in achieving further growth and expansion. This specific PayPal account type can indeed be used for selling goods and services, but it's primarily designed for individuals who frequently use PayPal to send funds to their family and friends, and for engaging in online shopping across various e-commerce platforms. For instance, if you wish to sell a product on eBay or other similar platforms, a personal PayPal account would offer an effortless method for buyers to complete their payment for said item. This type of account is generally suitable for individuals and is considered perfect for sellers who wish to market their services or products on an occasional or informal basis. For example, painters and artists who sell their products and creations from time to time. The pros of a personal PayPal account: no monthly fees, setup costs, or termination costs. It offers a convenient and straightforward method for making purchases over the internet. It offers a fast and simple method for making money transfers to family and friends. It offers a convenient payment solution for individuals making occasional sales on various platforms, such as eBay and other similar sites. There are absolutely no fees whatsoever for transfers that are made from a linked bank account or PayPal Cash. The ability to transfer funds from your sales to a personal bank account is completely free of charge. And if you prefer, you have the option to pay a 1% fee to have the money instantly transferred to your account. Now for the cons of a personal PayPal account. The buyer will be able to see your full name with every purchase they make. This might be perfectly acceptable for some individuals, yet it could be quite bothersome for others. You won't be able to accept as many payment methods. For example, you are unable to permit customers to make payments through billing invoices. Furthermore, you cannot take advantage of many other features that are specifically available with a business account. PayPal charges fees when you accept payments made with debit and credit cards. Individuals who sell goods and products will find that they have restricted access to the full range of merchant services. It is also challenging to differentiate between business and personal transactions, particularly for tax purposes. To set up a personal PayPal account, the required details include your first and last name, complete address, phone number, email address, and credit card information. You'll also need to verify your bank account and routing number. Next, let's talk about the PayPal business account. A PayPal business account encompasses all the features of a personal account, along with numerous additional functionalities. This account provides a robust suite of services tailored for small and medium-sized business owners, enabling them to process payments cost-effectively. More specifically, a business account greatly simplifies the process of transforming your existing website into a fully functional e-commerce portal. Moreover, this account allows you to establish subscription services, which permit customers to sign up for several shipments within a single transaction, alongside completing transactions in person. For small to medium-sized businesses with employees, a PayPal business account offers an additional benefit: the ability to grant login access to as many as 200 individuals or employees. This allows them to utilize the account's features, such as tracking profits and managing operations. It also helps with setting up shipping methods, fees, and inventory. Furthermore, a PayPal business account provides a range of products and services to assist businesses with their daily online sales operations, such as the ability to track payments, access live customer support, and various other functionalities. A business account offers the flexibility to register under a company name rather than the owner's personal name, which ensures greater customer privacy during online purchases. These are some of the advantages of having a PayPal business account. The business account offers easy setup and provides greater privacy compared to a personal account. This benefit arises from the ability to register the account using a business name instead of the account owner's personal name. There are no setup costs, monthly fees, or termination costs. The account owner can also receive financial payments from customers, even if they don't have a PayPal account, by using a credit card. A specific number of employees can gain access to the account, with the flexibility to select which features each individual employee can utilize and manage. You can even add up to 200 employees for this purpose, receiving live and faster customer support. You also get full access to PayPal's commercial tools and various products. Sellers have the capability to process payments in-store using PayPal. Now, let's discuss the disadvantages of a PayPal business account. A fee is charged for each purchase made. Additionally, a business account cannot be converted back into a personal one. To set up a PayPal business account, you will need the following details: the account owner's name and address, the business name and address, a phone number, an email address, and customer service contact information. General details regarding your business's nature, such as its specific type and commercial operations. The name of the bank where you hold an account, your business or personal bank account number, the bank routing number, and there are a few extra steps to start accepting credit cards. The money's life cycle on PayPal. Business owners go through 2 steps with PayPal, which are linking their PayPal account to a credit card or a bank account. The balance held in accounts associated with your PayPal, whether it's a Visa, a bank account, or both, is the current balance available for making payments or for transferring money to other individuals. Freelancers, too, navigate 2 distinct steps. This includes receiving payments from the companies they collaborate with, such as collecting your earnings from Mostakal or Kamsat. Alternatively, they might receive funds directly from an individual using the email address associated with their PayPal account. The freelancer can then withdraw these earnings to their Visa or bank account that is linked to PayPal. PayPal features vary across different countries. Not all features, such as sending, receiving, and withdrawing, are available everywhere. PayPal's features are categorized into 4 types based on the country. Some countries are not supported by PayPal at all, and these countries are unable to establish a PayPal account. In these countries, individuals can only send money. Subscribers from these countries are able to make purchases and payments online, but they cannot receive funds, let alone withdraw them. And then there are countries where you can only receive money, but you cannot send it. Most countries that are able to receive money can also withdraw it to a Visa card, a bank account, a check, or even use all of the previously mentioned options. Next, we will discuss how to open a PayPal account. Signing up for PayPal is simpler than you think and needs no explanation. Simply follow the upcoming steps, and you'll be able to create your very own PayPal account in just 5 minutes. Navigate directly to the PayPal website's homepage and then simply click on Sign Up. On the Sign Up page, find the country flag at the bottom right. Click on it, and a window will open containing all the countries that PayPal supports. From this window, select your country. Please note you must complete this step even if your country's flag is already displayed. Next to the flag, you will find the available languages. Therefore, select Arabic next to the country's flag to complete the registration process in Arabic, if that is your preference. Then, select the account type you want from the options PayPal provides, whether it's a personal account or a business account. After selecting your account type, click Continue and fill out the registration form. This form will require your personal details, such as your name, address, date of birth, and email. Simply follow the form's instructions step by step. Once you complete the preceding form and proceed by clicking Continue, PayPal will then display an additional form that requires you to meticulously provide your authentic details. Once you have finished filling out this form, please click on Agree and Create Account. Once you have completed the preceding form, an email will be dispatched to the email address that was provided during the registration process. You will be asked to click on the word Activate. In this email, you will be redirected to the PayPal website. There, you'll be prompted to select 2 security questions to be used in times of need, such as when you might misplace your password. You will be required to formulate your own unique answer for each question, and it's crucial to remember these responses, because if PayPal poses these 2 questions for security reasons, and if you fail to provide the correct responses, you will be unable to log into your account easily without first contacting technical support. How do I receive money from PayPal? This is possible if your country allows you to withdraw funds to a bank account or a Visa card. If withdrawals are available to you, then you simply need to add your bank account. You can do this by clicking on the Request Money tab and subsequently activating this feature for your account. Why should I have to wait 30 days to withdraw my balance? You are not required to wait 30 days to withdraw your funds. This only happens if the sender confirms the final transfer of funds to you, which is a precautionary measure by PayPal solely intended to limit account theft. However, if the sender hasn't confirmed the funds sent to you, you will be required to wait 30 days before you can receive that money. Once this period ends, or the sender confirms the transfer at any time, you'll be able to withdraw the money. Can I use a currency other than the US dollar? Yes, you can. The PayPal website offers the capability to utilize over 25 distinct currencies. You have the option to change your default currency to one of the other available currencies simply by clicking on the currency converter within your account dashboard. What are the PayPal fees for withdrawing funds? PayPal provides several methods for making withdrawals. For instance, in Egypt, there are 2 available options for withdrawing funds: a bank transfer to a US bank account or a withdrawal to a Visa card. So the PayPal fee varies depending on the method you use to withdraw your earnings. For example, withdrawing funds to an American bank account is free of charge with no commission, but withdrawing to a Visa card in the same country incurs a $5 fee. Therefore, the minimum amount that will be withdrawn needs to be at least $10. What are the PayPal fees for receiving, sending, and adding funds to your account? Again, these fees vary by country. To find out the PayPal fees in your country, just click on the word Fees on the PayPal homepage. We hope we've successfully addressed all your inquiries regarding PayPal accounts and the distinctions between personal and business accounts.